Personalize your life with the easy-to-use U by Moen shower. With Wi-Fi connectivity and cloud support, you can create up to 12 presets to set the perfect temperature and control your shower. Create a customized showering experience right from your smartphone or your shower controller. Available in either a 2 or 4 outlet system, U by Moen allows you to create your perfect shower. The controller's unique finish coordinates with any bathroom style. U by Moen will even notify you when your shower is ready and automatically pause until you are ready to get in. And Moen's warranty provides peace of mind. The U by Moen shower. The shower designed just for you.
Do you brush your teeth adequately every day? The fact is that close to 3.5 billion people worldwide are affected by oral diseases, and almost 4 out of 5 people do not brush properly. To cultivate dental-level brushing habits, Usmile developed Future One. It's the first time that the Usmile team has incorporated home automation-level AI technology into a powered toothbrush. An AI-powered sonic toothbrush designed to be an oral care coach, aiming to brighten smiles for everyone with healthier gums and teeth. With the 6 built-in AI-powered chipsets, Future One learns and adapts to your personal brushing style with exceptional quality and durability. 3 of the chips are made for smart and intuitive brushing, along with the Smart app. Future One provides helpful feedback via 360-degree surrounding 3D images. From sensitive care to deep cleaning, Future One has 8 brushing modes, covering your daily cleaning needs so that everyone can enjoy the perfect cleaning experience. Future One's power algorithm utilizes 3 innovative high-tech chips to achieve incredible battery efficiency that lets it operate up to 365 days after a full charge. Future One can remove up to 95.81% of plaque with a highly effective magnetic levitation sonic motor. And Diamond Clean brush heads. Being a strategic DuPont partner, a revolutionary filament design is co-developed to ensure safe and sound cleaning. Future One also comes with a sleek, premium travel case designed for modern-day needs that stores and sterilizes the brush heads. Are you worried about messing with stuff and charging frequently? The powerful Future One can help you stay away from all these awkward situations. After 10,000 tests over the last 3 years, Usmile finally achieved its first AI-powered toothbrush, the Future One, your at-home dentist for advanced oral care.
Step into a relaxing retreat where warm bubbles envelop your body for an invigorating, blissful experience. With bubble massage, a random motion of bubbles travels along your body to deliver a holistic, full-body massage that helps center the mind and stimulate the release of muscle tension. The proprietary staggered 360-degree design ensures the most comfortable, consistent, and complete bubbling action available. The strategic placement of our bubble massage air jets on the lower perimeter of the bath form a highly efficient bubble delivery system designed to create a luxurious bathing experience. And the intensity of the bubbles is totally customizable. With one touch of the keypad, you can adjust the intensity from a soothing caress to a vigorous massage. Bubble massage technology delivers a constant level of intensity, or with the surge feature, creates a repeating sequence of increasing and decreasing intensity. Automatic or manual purge cycles ensure a hygienic and easy-to-clean system. And with the bubble massage air baths, salts and bath oils can be used to enhance the bathing experience. With thousands of bubbles that completely envelop your body and the ability to control their intensity, Kohler's bubble massage is a full-body treat.